Hey everyone, it's Aaron from Privyr, and in this video, we're going to show you how to use custom fields to capture any information that you want to remember about your leads and clients right from the Privyr app. This can include details such as the lead stage that they're in, their budget, their birth date, their address, their kids' names, or any other information that you want to remember. Once you've set up the fields that you want, setting it is as simple as tapping on the field and setting a value. It takes less than a minute to create a custom field, and this can be done from both the web and mobile versions of Privyr. Let's get started. To create a custom field, head over to your Account tab, Settings, and Custom Client Fields. Once you're here, you'll see a list of fields that you've created and can edit and reorder them, or you can go ahead and create a new field. So let's click on Add a New Field, and you'll see options for creating a text field, a date field, or drop-down options. So let's create a text field. So this is for any type of free-form text, numbers, emojis, etc. And let's call this kids' names. Kids' names. Click Add Custom Field, and that's it. I've created a custom field called kids' names that will appear on every client and lead that I have. Now let me create a date field. For date field, and this can be things like a birthday, an anniversary date, lease renewal date, target purchase date, for example. And you'll see I'll have additional options for notifications to get reminded when this date occurs. So it's not just saving the date, but the system will also remind you either on the specific year that this happens, or if you want it like an anniversary every year, and you can get alerts either on the date itself, the day before, and a week before. So this is all customizable for any time this field is set for a date field. And last but not least, let's create a drop-down field where you can have multiple options. For example, someone's budget, the lead stage, or let's say I want to categorize my leads by city. I can put that by, let's say, Los Angeles, San Francisco, and New York. Of course, you can customize this as you want, and one thing that we suggest is actually using emojis on these, which make it a little bit more visual and interactive. So here I've created a number of custom fields. I can actually reorder them if I want. For example, if I want city to be closer to the top, I can just move it up or down. I can edit the fields, I can rename them, I can even delete them. And once I've created them, any lead or client that I view will automatically have these fields. So let me go back to my clients. So now any client that I view, let's say Tony Stark, you'll see all of the different options are going to be here in terms of the custom fields. And I can just go through and start categorizing them. So maybe he is interested, his budget is definitely above $5 million. And this is an example where I have emojis in my options. I can set his birth date to whichever year and date that I want. For example, I can type his address in, 123 Avengers Road. I can put his kid's name in there, Morgan, and it's as simple as that. Let me say he's in Los Angeles, and I can just put in all of this information. And again, if it's a date field, I'll get those reminders. Later on, I'll be able to filter it. And it's just a very easy way to capture all this information for any lead or client that you have. And that's how easy it is to use custom fields in Privyr to capture any and all information that you want to remember about your leads and clients. Stay tuned and follow our channel for more updates, tutorials, and tips and tricks on how to use Privyr to convert more of your leads into clients.